Got him!
Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
So that's how you do it. I'll keep mine. Yes, sir. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Jeez. I'll keep mine know how to do it. Hopefully it's enough though, right? Hey guys, welcome back for another video. As you can see today from the title, I'm going to paint my room. It's been a while since I haven't painted this room, to be honest, because I'm the one who changed this room like into you know, orange and all, because back then, you know, I wanted to just paint and all. You know, I wanted to do something, and my mom said you should do it. So I did it. and now it's like I feel like it'll be a great time, like to repaint it in white. And as you can see right now, we're progressing and putting it together. My cousin was helping me right here, so shout out to him. And right now we're just painting it. Hopefully everything's gonna be good. Hopefully you're gonna enjoy, and let's go from there. Hopefully we're gonna have a good result. Hey guys, as you can see right now, like everything got painted and now it's like this is the first like paint that we actually put on, to cover the yellow, the orange a little bit, and then after that we're gonna put like the real texture, like the white one. And this is the one. Let me show you. So this is the second one that we're gonna do right now, and this is way like thicker than the first one that we did, so that's why it kind of shows a little bit like orange and all, but it's kind of it's good for now because it's only like for like we have to wait first of all for like an hour or two, and then we have to do like we have to put the second one, the premiere. And the premiere is like the permanent one. The other one is like you can still see the yellow and all, so the orange depends the color that you're trying to hide. So you just like resting for a minute, and then after this like we're just gonna put on again our gloves and all and just keep on going again. But I really honestly think this is really going well. Like literally from the camera you can't really see if it's like well done and all. Wow, yeah, you can see from the camera, like you can still see like the orange and all, but this is not the real paint. This is just the covering. I don't know the name, but all for my real people who knows how to paint, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, it still shows kind of the yellow and all. And yeah, this side, see, we really did a good job, even the ceilings on the top and all. So this was really done, and we're gonna redo all this again. So right now it's like 4:50 right now, and we've been like stopping like painting since like 4:10 and all. So we just ate, and then we just let the paint cool down and all. And then after this, like we're just gonna keep on going. It is heavy. I was thinking, first of all, this wasn't enough. So I'm glad that we didn't put like some water with it. So this really was enough. Like the other tank is still like in the half here. So that's what I'm saying. So hopefully this one is gonna be more thicker and it's gonna last long. Hey, anyway, enjoy. together. I'm really happy, to be honest. Like, wow. I never knew I would be a painter. If that is the word. I'm sorry. A painter? A painter? A painter. Anyway, I'm really happy, to be honest. I was able to do this. Like, I had that kind of orange color like for 9 years. And it's crazy how I just put myself with it, and I just, you know, went for it, and I just started painting. So it really took us like what, 10 hours to do everything, and I was still tired in the end. So I couldn't really, you know, move everything in my room right now. So as you can see, only a few stuff in here, and we're just gonna do it right now. And it's right now, it's like what, 11, what time is it? Oh my god, wait. It's like 11 o'clock. Like, I woke up at 10, but I have to do everything now. As you can see, I just woke up. You know, I didn't even eat right now. I just brushed my teeth, that's it. And I gotta take a shower. I'm really happy that I was able to do this. This was really challenging, to be honest. Thank you, thanks to my cousin. You know, he's the one who helped me with his experience and all. And I just went with my knowledge that I was kind of learning from, you know, YouTube and internet and all. So I'm really glad that I was able to go for it. And this gonna give me a good vibe to wake up and to think about doing videos, especially in my room, because that's where I have more of the space, you know, instead of just going, you know, in the living room and all and do it. I'm happy that I have like a white color that I can do videos and all. It will be a good background. I was literally always thinking about the green color, the green backward that you always put, and you know, you put some kind of effects, but I thought that was really wasting money and all, and I was just thinking that why just not convert the room as it was before, and white is just literally regular, you know, everyone likes white, you know, it's white is comfortable, you know, white, that's what you wake up with, you know, the snow is white, it's raining it's snowing right now, so it's really not giving us like the mood, to be honest, like to film videos and all outside, like some public videos and all, so it's really challenging a little, but I'm glad that I was able to do this, and hopefully really got inspired, because a lot of people, you know, texted me and all, asking me what kind of paint that I used, where did I bought it, and I literally answered a few of them. And if you want to know as well, so if you're in Canada especially, it's Canadian Tire. I went to Canadian Tire and I took like the first paint was, depends if you're paint, it's really like a different color from white. It's like yellow, something like really flashy. That's how it was, as you can see on my previous video on the background. So for me, like, you know, to buy two paint was, the first one was the coverage. It was just not really the white, but just a way to cover the white a little, and then put the other tanker of the white, but that's like the pure white. So that's the result. That's the second result right now. The first result was a little bit awful, because you can still see the previous color in the back, but now you can't even notice that was a color here before. I feel like you just bought like the house and the room basically, and room where everything was put together. So I'm really happy that I was able to do this. Hopefully you really got inspired. If you got really inspired in this video, please give me a like, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. I got more videos coming up. You know, I'll be always in shape to do some videos. So I'm really happy, to be honest, with this color. And I'm just gonna move everything in my room right now. It's really early. It really took us a long time to do it yesterday and all. So it was really a little bit challenging, but we was able to do it, and I'm really happy you're still tuning in the video. I tried to take some best angles and all, but if I didn't do so, if I didn't do it best, I'm sorry. You know, it's a way to improve myself. I'm gonna improve myself again in everything I'm doing. So hopefully you really got inspired in this video, and if you liked it, please again smash the like button, and also subscribe and share the channel, because I know for a fact that this channel is gonna blow up in this year. So I'm really happy that I'm coming with some great content, and some just, you know, some just regular content, to be honest, like something that people doesn't really show on YouTube. And I'm really happy that I was just happy to share some of my moments with you guys. So I'm really happy for this. If you really enjoy, please, as I said, I'm not gonna repeat it. Anyway, I'm out and I'll be having more videos in my room, filming this, you know, some more videos, but also outside. But right now, I'm sorry guys, but I'm really trying my best to upload some videos from outside. So like some contents and all, like some public stuff, but from the snow and all, it's really, you know, discouraging. But I try my best. But it's just the crazy part, when you get there, people won't be stopping most of the time for a video because it's really freezing and all. So just let it cool down for a month again, and I'll probably go outside and do some videos. But for now, I'm gonna do a bunch of videos in my room. I promise it'll be a great content, and you just gotta enjoy. I'm just a good guy, and I gotta just put myself there, you know. Anyway, I'm out, and I'll be back with some another.